Aberlink's Extreme CNC CMM offers you precision measurements even in the most extreme manufacturing environments. Designed using a non-Cartesian structure and utilizing linear motors and mechanical bearings, as its name implies, the Extreme CNC CMM provides a robust solution for providing precision inspection results. The unique CMM's advantageous configuration ensures that it maintains its accuracy at very fast measurement rates and does not suffer from the accumulative inaccuracies that occur in conventional 3-axis Cartesian designs. The Extreme is a self-contained inspection unit. It has no air bearings, so no requirement for compressed air. Just plug it in and go. Built-in temperature control and a compact footprint allow for the Extreme to be placed wherever it's needed. The innovative Extreme CMM is an evolution of CMM technology. However, it is the price that the Extreme CMM will be sold for that is perhaps the primary reason why the new Extreme will have such a significant effect on the market, with the potential for multiple units replacing a single inspection room CMM, ensuring that the measurement is provided close to where it's required. Another unique advantage of the Extreme is that all of these struts are controlled to operate at 40 degrees C. This means that the measurement structure of the Extreme will always be at a constant temperature, even when the ambient environment is not controlled, and hence measurement accuracy will be maintained. The Extreme CNC CMM is supplied with the revolutionary Aberlink 3D measurement software. Designed around a graphical interface, Aberlink's revolutionary measurement software provides the user with a powerful yet easy-to-use solution for inspection measurements.